Hi guys, for this video we're going to unbox the baby shower gifts that we received from our friends. We had our baby shower more than a month ago, but I've been so busy and now I have a time to unbox them. There are actually like a bunch of them, so this video will be part 1, 2, and 3, so it'll be too long, otherwise you guys are gonna be bored. So anyway, let's start with this one. This is from my husband's friend. He didn't actually show up on the baby shower, but this is from Amazon Baby Registry, and this is skin soother set. You use it like it's like a brush for when the baby is bathing. It's from Frida Baby. He also sent us this NUK pacifier. That's 2 gifts from him. And this one is from our housemate. His girlfriend bought this. It's a 6-piece bath set. Yeah, it's quite cute. And next one, this is from my friend that we met during when my husband and I went to a cruise. We actually met a bunch of Filipinos, and this is one of them. Ate V, thank you so much, Ate Vivian. He said this Frida Baby Sick Day Prep Kit.
Girl,
he gave me 3 gifts. There's another one, My Baby Sound Spa Lullaby. I think this will make a sound. Yes, it's a lullaby sound to help your baby fall asleep, I think. And she also bought me, she gave me this like 2 weeks later after the baby shower. It's swaddles, 2-piece swaddles. Thank you, Ati D. And what else? This is from my husband's. No, this is from Michelle and Craig. They are my father-in-law's friends, and they were not here on the baby shower too because they were moving to I can't remember, Tennessee, I think. So they sent us 4 gifts. Memory book for the baby, like a baby album, and it also comes with a gift bag. How cute is that? Also another pacifier. Look how cute. It's 4 pieces. And another one is deluxe healthcare and grooming kit. So pretty. And what else? Last one. This is another pacifier, but it says fruit feeder, so you can actually put fruits in there and then the baby can suck on it, I think. Yeah. Thank you, Craig and Michelle. And what else? Okay, this one is breastfeeding essentials. It's a kit that I need for breastfeeding because I'm gonna be breastfeeding my little boy. And it comes with
breastfeeding?
Hold on.
I don't know.
I think this is like a nipple for your nipple pads when it's leaking, I think. And breast milk storage bags, silicone breast pump, and there's a bunch of things in here. nipple cream. What is this? 3-in-1 breast therapy. I guess this is for me.
Yes, girl. Everything in that box is for you.
Yeah, I think so. This is for me. Okay. Thank you. This is from our friend Jeff. A few more other gifts. This is so our neighbors, Cesar and his family didn't make it to the baby shower, but he gave us a $50 gift card from Bye Bye Baby. So we went to Bye Bye Baby and we bought a bunch of clothes. Super cute. Look how cute that is. Ta-da! And last one. Oh my god, so cute. So, this is from Cesar. Thank you so much. And what else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more gifts. Okay. Okay. This is from our friend Washington. This is anti-colic biberon. It's actually a word in Filipino, means baby bottle, and it's funny because it's like, wow, sounds Filipino. I mean, they call it the same as Filipinos. So this is Avent, which is like a very good brand.
Philips Avent.
And how many are in here? Oh, there's 4 in here. And this is like for like 6 months older, I think. And I have another gift that is for 0 to 3 months. So I'm gonna be using this later on when the baby is a little bit bigger. And he also bought me, look at this guys, 12 packs of wipes. So it says 672 wipes. That's a lot of wipes. Yeah. Thank you, Washington. It's quite heavy. Put this on the side. And this is, I don't know if you can see this. I'll put it down because it won't fit in here.
On the floor.
Ta-da! It says ta-da time. Our friend, I mean, not really friend, like an acquaintance, but he is a friend of our friend, and he couldn't make it to the baby shower because he was busy. But like few weeks after the baby shower, his friend that he works for us gave us he came one day and he gave this to me. I'm like, this is a gift from I'm terrible, I can't remember his name, but yeah, he gave this Rob, our friend, brought this in the house and like, hey, this is a gift from that guy. So I haven't really I don't know what's inside because I didn't really look, but let's go and check it out. Oh, textured multi-ball set, 6 balls. I think it does say 6 months, so he will be able to play this when he's a little bigger. Thank you so much. What else? Another toy. It says ring stacker, also for 6 months plus. So this will be used later. I'm gonna put this somewhere and wait for 6 months for him to be able to play it. And this is the biggest bag. Aw, guys. Look. Pampers. It says Pampers Swaddlers. So, I don't know, 29 diapers and there's 4 packs. Wow, that's a lot. Okay. Thank you so much. I still can't remember your name, sorry.
His name is
Pregnancy Brain. And 2 more gifts. Okay. So, this is, I've seen this already because I opened it. A book. It says Pika Flap Zoo. So this is from our friend's daughters. Mario, who bought this, my rocking chair. He couldn't make it to the baby shower, so it's like, okay, I'm gonna send 3 reinforcements. I'm gonna send 3 of my daughters. And it's really funny because I'm like, why do you need 3? You can send 1, it's fine. But he sent 3, and it was. Oh, this is the gift card from our neighbor Cesar. But and this is his card. It says, "For you and your little one on the way. Congrats to you and your family, Cesar and family." And yeah, so Mario sent his 3 daughters, and they bought us this, which is really nice because I didn't buy any books and nobody gave me any books, so this is really cute. And it says, they write something. Congratulations, Jean and Daniel. We wish you all the best. We wish you all a life full of laughter and smiles. With love, the Acunias. That's their last name. Okay, so, and then last one, the biggest one. So this is from our friend Mario. I don't know, guys, if you can see it, but it's a glider and Ottoman. So I guess I'm gonna be sitting in here while I'm breastfeeding, and hopefully I don't fall asleep. Yeah, so that's it for part 1 of the baby shower gifts. Thanks for watching. Bye.